Well, this is where they say landslides, mudslides. We're just passing one. They just cleared it out. We had to wait about 1 hour. You know, one of those big construction tractors. Yeah, I didn't think it would happen, but it did. We are way high up there. We are in the mountains. We just left Laos. Phonsali district. Mongwa. And we went through the Laos border, exited out, my passport. Checked out, stamped out of Laos, then drove about another 30 minutes, this minivan, and checked into Vietnam immigration, stamped in. They looked at my e-visa, obviously everything good. There was a mudslide, we had to wait about, well, it was maybe a 30-minute wait. I'm in a minivan with 3 Vietnamese from Vietnam. There was about 4 Lao. They left in the Lao side, and now I'm pretty much on my own. Quite an adventure, everybody. Adventure, new and exciting experiences. Lewis here, Washington, D.C. Wow. Haven't slept. I had to get up at 5 in the morning. Look at these views. And off to Dien Bien Phu. Dien Bien Phu. This is literally in the mountains on the Lao-Vietnam border. Dien Bien Phu is 20 kilometers, but that's 20 kilometers going through the mountains. Doesn't seem to be so bad. Could be better, could be worse. It is what it is, but I feel safe. I can't tell you, the people of Vietnam don't seem to have a lot of patience. But it is what it is. There it is, everyone. Check out the river.